Something pretty interesting happened yesterday. We were out shooting a video. It was supposed to be out today, but it got cut short. We were doing a function versus form video. That video will still come out. It'll just be at a later date when the weather is nice and we have a lot more time to do it. So we were out shooting that video, and this is what happened. I'm getting it right now. So yeah, that happened. We got the cops called on us, and let us explain how this happened. So I was sitting in my car and I had the window rolled down. This is exactly how it happened. We had just gotten those shots that you guys saw. We're sitting here. I think you were standing there, right? Mm-hmm. Diego is standing here and Marco is back in his car. So we're sitting here and we hadn't seen a car. That neighborhood is really quiet. We hadn't seen a car within like the hour and a half to 2 hours that we were there. And out of nowhere, you just see a silver Dodge Ram. So the red and blues flash, and at that point we're all like super confused. We don't know what's going on. And he walks up to us. He's like, "So who's racing?" But it was in a really sarcastic way. And we all kind of just like, no one. He asked me, he's like, "Hey, do you have an ID?" And I was like, "Yeah, I got my license." He's like, "All right, step out of the car." So I step out. I give him my license. But like 30 seconds later, a minute later, another cop pulls right in front of us. And we have video of all this. People were taking Snapchats. This other cop pulls in, and at this point we had already explained to the first cop, "Hey, we're out here filming a video." He asked us why we were out there. We said the same thing. The scenery out here is pretty good. And that's the first thing you look for in a video, is the scenery. So we showed him some of the footage that we took, the footage that we included in this video. And he's like, "Okay, I don't see anything wrong with that." He told the other cop, "Hey, you can go ahead and tell the other officers that are coming to stand back. We got this." So I'm guessing they had at least, what, like 2 or 3 more cars coming? Because that's how it is down there. So we didn't know this, but I guess in Nevada, a resident can actually sign a ticket. So the cop will write it out and they will sign it, and they will be the ones that go to court and fight it. It won't be the cops involved. So one of the cops went over to that lady's house, one of the neighbors that called, and asked her if she wanted to write a ticket. She ended up saying no. Everything that we explained to the cop was exactly what they told the cops. So I think maybe because we didn't lie about this situation, I'm not sure. But the cop, he was really cool. The first cop was really cool. The second cop was also really cool. And they told us to just
continue our day.
Yeah, he just said, "You guys are free to go." We didn't really find anything wrong with what you were doing.
We couldn't really stay because the cop was still waiting for us to
leave. Yeah, he pulled off to the side of the road and waited till we left, and then that was kind of the end of it. But that's the reason why we didn't have that video out for you guys. We apologize. We are planning to do that. Like I said, once we have nicer weather, we'll get that video out. I think it's a really good video idea. We just finished our little photo shoot here. If you guys don't follow us on Instagram, make sure you head over and give us a follow. We post almost every single day, and we can also answer your questions on there if you DM us. As of lately, it's been getting a little harder to reply to every single person just because of how many people are sending us messages. But don't worry guys, we are trying our best to get back to every single one of you. So real quick, for those of you who know about this, we shoot with a Video Mic Pro by Rode, which is this one right here. And lately we've had our audio just get randomly cut while we're editing, or even when we play back the footage. If you guys know why this might be happening, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd really appreciate it. The thing about where we live is that the weather is super unpredictable. It can literally be sunny one minute and snowing the next. With that being said, we kind of apologize for how short today's video was. But this coming week, the sun is coming back out so we can do the videos that we want to do. Definitely excited to have exciting things be done on this channel now. Like I said, that subscriber growth was absolutely insane and something that we didn't expect. So thank you guys for the support. This summer is going to be absolutely crazy now that we're going full-time with YouTube. It's going to be awesome. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that a lot of people have been asking me to paint match my flares and my rear bumper, and now along with my front bumper. We're actually going to do that now that Oregon is delayed and I'm not sure when we're going to head out there to get my flares redone. I thought might as well do it for you guys. We'll get some paint, we'll sand down the flares a little bit, sand down the bumper, and then we'll spray some silver on there. So that's really exciting. This road right here is honestly Ongo's worst nightmare. He is like less than an inch off the ground, and it's a one-way narrow road with a bunch of dips, bumps, and potholes everywhere. It's probably not very fun for him.
Do you wanna go over there?
What is it?
I think it's a dirt road.
Oh, that's up to you.
There's a cabin there and there's a sign.
What does it say?
I can't read it.
I don't think we should.
A bunch of houses.
You got grass on your lip. That's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video, guys. Make sure to leave a like down below and get ready for some exciting things on this channel.